Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing devices and turning Keychain on. Sign into the same Apple ID on each device. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Icloud and enable Keychain. Make sure you use a strong device passcode and enable two-factor authentication so Keychain can sync securely. If prompted, follow the verification codes between devices. These steps let Keychain store passwords, Wi-Fi, and credit card info. They establish trust, so everything syncs without manual re-entry. Next, you'll save and manage credentials. When you sign into a site in Safari, accept the prompt to save the password. This stores it in Keychain and syncs across devices. To view or edit entries, go to Settings, Passwords, Authenticate, and make changes. You can copy or share a password securely. Also, enable auto-fill in Safari settings so forms populate automatically. This speeds logins and reduces reused passwords. Make sure to update entries after password changes so all devices stay current. Finally, you'll manage devices and handle common issues. Check the device list under your Apple ID to remove lost or unused devices. Removing a device stops Keychain access immediately. If sync errors occur, toggle Keychain off and on or choose the Reset Icloud Keychain option. This forces a fresh sync. Once done, sign back in and confirm entries reappear. As a troubleshooting tip, if two-factor codes or verification fail, verify device clocks are correct and that both devices have internet access before retrying the sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.